Hey everyone, I'm not streaming because this is just too quick. By the time you've all joined, this will be done. Well, it better be done anyway. That's one headlight. That's another headlight. Very misty headlights. Very nasty. Somebody who had the van for a long time polished this one, which is great, but only one of them. So we're going to replace them. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. Should be simple. I mean, should, but it's not. One bolt here, 2 bolts here. Except this bolt here is just spinning, and there's badness afoot, isn't there? Badness is afoot. I assume it just pops out now, does it? Don't know what direction it pops out in. That's got to go forward, surely. Yep. Okay, we're getting there. One step at a time. Oh, I guess that snapped then. Lovely. So with the trims off, it's just 10 mil bolts. Easy enough. Then we slide the headlight forward and remove the electrical connector. It's the yellow one because it's old. That snapping off thing. Yeah, apparently that's just a thing that happens on all of them by the looks of it. Oh well. Let's have a look. Get your hands out of the camera, you loon. Are you going to come off? Oh no, that's even worse. It's just spinning in place. Oh, that's superbly shit. Okay, that hasn't snapped off. It just won't undo. So there should be a little riv nut thing. See a little riv nut thing? Should be one in there. Except it's not. It's still on that bolt. Oh, that's going to be fun. Here we go then. YouTube magic and... Oh, brilliant. It took me absolutely hours to get them polished up, you know. Just, yeah, it took... worked hard on those. Liberate tutte me ex inferis. Uh-oh, we got the Birmingham spanner on the job. Ugh. Yeah, this should go right. We choose to change these headlights. We choose to change these headlights and do the other things in this decade. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Fucking thing. See, I told you it was hard. That one snapped. Balls. Next step. Nice new bulbs. 150, up to 100, yeah, up to 150%. Nice new bulbs, they're going in there. Old bulbs, except for the H7s, are coming out of that one and going into that one. Easy peasy, right? 3 bulbs out of the old light. That looks fine. That's going to be replaced. This one, she looks a bit burnt. Might have to continuity test that. And we have continuity. Must be a good bulb. Boop, boop, boop. Bulbs. Okay. 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 That's pretty sexy. All we need now is some bolty bolts. We're going to get a little bit of lube. And there's my spanner. Happy days. Let's bolt them in. Down there. Somewhere. Sexy new stainless bolts. All very, very lovely. Now what we need is the trims. We wash the trims in the kitchen sink. I don't know which one goes where. That looks like driver's side. And that looks like driver's side. Okay, we can do this. Beautiful clean plastic trims are back in. Needs a bolt there, 2 bolts there. But Serbs, I hear you say, do they come with fresh clean hardware? Oh yes, of course they do. Look at my nuts. Sorry, bolts. Oh, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Lush, okay. One side done. Rest of the van needs a desperate wash now. Oh well. All I have to do is all of that again. Bulb swappo. Let's go. I realised as I put the last bolt in on that side, that was a perfect opportunity for a finger snap transition. Oh well, we'll just have to... Didn't work. And... Oh, okay. Yeah, kind of worked. They look so good. Beautiful. That's side lights. Main beam. Oh, ignition not on, is it? Duh. Keys. 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 Oh, look at that. 150%, up to 150% more brightness. That's pretty nice. Okay. How about high beams? High beams. Very bright high beams. Very bright high beams, lovely. And I've done something terrible. No, I have. I've done something terrible. Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? I forgot to put the indicator bulbs in. God damn it. All right. I bet you all feel very smug, screaming at the screen. There you go. Indicators are in. The only hazard here is me. Superb, job done. Beautiful new headlights. Let's hope that they work as well as they look. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next crazy thing we do.